I guess I'd like to call this video the first couple minutes of the Edward Mall Nature Walk. Yeah, it's very pretty around here, isn't it? Yep. Heck, it may even be all of my time on the walk for how pretty this place is. I felt some spider webs on my hands. This is a little lake. Wow. I can't see a thing of UWF. It's totally isolated. Huh. Awesome. I'm missing some signs here. Is this black TT? Interesting. More water. Interesting. Saw some signs that said I might see some poisonous snakes or alligators. None yet, but one can only hope. That they're far from me, I mean. Good stopping place to rest a little bit. So here I am at the Edward R. Ball Nature Walk at UWF. It's very pretty here. I wish I could have had the foresight to come here more often, but next term I definitely will. Pretty great. Alright, that's it for this part. I'm going to rest a bit, then I'm going to get up and record the next one. See y'all.